to create Google Ads Manager account. If you're managing or want to manage your valued clients' Google Ads account, Google Ads offers you a manager account. Simply make sure you're logged into your main Google account and visit this URL. In the next stage, you can add a manager account, provide a business name perhaps, or your account display name. You have option in terms of manage other people's accounts, or you can even manage your own accounts. But surely it is actually wise to perhaps manage other people's accounts because it's a manager account. Then billing country, time zone, and currency. Perhaps if you're in US, you select currency accordingly. Select any verification for CAPTCHA here and simply create your manager account. Why would you want to do that? Because you want to manage your valued clients' Google Ads campaigns. Because when you create Google Ads Manager account, Google will actually assign a different Google Ads account for you with a different account ID. Next, what you can do is through your admin, access and security, this is what you need to do, as in encourage your valued clients to give you access to your Google Ads Manager account by providing your email, access expires, perhaps certain date, and the access level, because they will need to send an invitation for you. So you want to make this process as simple for your valued clients. Or you can direct them to this help section so that they know what to do to send an invitation for you so that you can manage their accounts. Because through your manager account, you'll be able to do a lot of things depending on the access level. That is how you create Google Ads Manager account.